Hi, I'm Randy Reed. It's todayinlighting.com. Thursday, 22 January. We're sponsored by Elite Lighting, innovating safer, efficient lighting since 1998. If you enjoy Today in Lighting, please hit the like button. Here are the stories making news. Next week, there will be a celebration of life for Paul Marantz at Parsons, the new school in New York City. The event has reached capacity and there is a wait list available. Click the link below to join that wait list. Cree LED and Blizzard Lighting have settled a patent dispute involving LED display components. Cree has granted Blizzard a limited license for certain patents, allowing both companies to move forward without continued litigation. Read more at edisonreport.com. Pull Logic closed an oversubscribed $3.3 million seed round to expand its AI-powered availability intelligence platform. The company helps manufacturers, distributors, and retailers reduce lost sales and excess inventory across complex supply chains. I know Terrace Grover, the founder, and I think this is a very strong company. Read on at edisonreport.com. MaxLight has appointed Kyle Shane as Vice President of Strategic Accounts National Distribution, tasking her with leading national distribution partnerships and driving growth across the company's lighting and controls portfolio. Details available at edisonreport.com. Turns out that we are not going to invade Greenland after all, and the market cheered that news. The Dow was up 588 points, NASDAQ gained 271, and AMS Osram was up 4%. That's it. Go light up the world. Have a great day. Pray for peace.